What's up, everybody? My name is Jack Freddy, and today we're gonna be learning how to change a tire. This might not be for all of my viewers, but if mostly all are into cars, let's sure get some good views.
Get on there. Alright. Let it down slowly. Alright, I like to leave the jack there just in case. Take off.
Alright. There's your equipment. Equipment under there. A lot of equipment. There's a wrench. A pole. Oh, golf ball. Escape. Got it. Alright. Hey, Dad. Here you go. You're welcome. Like right after school at my dad's. Had curries. But yeah, I'm probably gonna be helping. I'm definitely gonna be helping, even while I'm making this video. Might have my sister like watch, like hold it. Yeah, that's what we've done so far.
Alright, just.
Alright.
Oh, jack. Lefty loosey, righty tighty.
Alright, lefty loosey, righty tighty. As the motto says. So turn all of them left, right?
Yeah. You pushing on it? You pushing on it? There you go.
Because that's the direction it seems to be that you're going. So do I do one or the rest of them?
I want you to do this one.
Alright.
There. Go ahead. Let's see what you got.
Alright.
Hold on. It'd be easier if you go down. Push down.
Oh.
Alright?
Alright.
Push down. Come on. Put that weight on it.
God, Jay.
Alright. Let's do it together. Come on. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Alright. You just want to do a half a twist on them.
Alright.
For right now. Make sure all of them are loose. One more. What you got?
Alright.
Go ahead. Come on. You almost had it. Stay on it. Yep, see. Alright. Let's try this. Push down. Use your weight. Here, you want to hold it?
Alright.
Use your waist. Push down. Pull down on the brakes. Push down the brakes harder. Dang, that bad boy's holding.
Yeah.
There you go. Got it. Alright. Alright, you can get out now.
That's enough for the tire?
Yep.
Alright. Screw fell.
You want to try? I already broke them all. You want to take one off?
There's a screw.
See if you can do it with one hand, with one finger.
They're gonna let my sister try now. Alright. She's obviously supposed to be stronger than me, so let's go.
Well, I already broke them all loose.
She just has to get them out.
Yeah. And you're going to do one too.
Yeah.
Alright, go ahead.
Alright.
Your turn. Come on, Jack Freddy.
Alright. So you just go
Yep.
around.
Left, around and around.
Around. bring it around town.
Mm-hmm.
Do this, and then you do that. Ah, dang it. And then you keep on doing this, and that, until it gets off.
Yep.
Does it just pop off on its own?
Yeah, when it runs off the threads, it'll fall off. Now move it. There you go. It's off. See? There you go.
Try another one. Unless you want to try that.
You go ahead. Go right ahead. I know how to do this.
Yeah, that's why you're teaching us.
Mm-hmm.
I'll let you do the next one, okay? Since I did 2, you only did 1, I'll let you do another one.
I'm gonna do the rest.
Alright, there's only 1 and 2 left.
All right, that's it. It's off.
Alright.
Yeah, just set it down. All right, Miss Thing. Let me see something real quick. Hold on. You get it on there good. You can keep it pressed up and just pop it right on there until it pops off.
It's crazy. Oh, wait.
Trust me, it's just years of practice.
Probably.
Mm-hmm. Probably.
I said properly.
I tried.
Doing good. Good job.
Doing better than I did.
Keep going.
Wait.
Just rotating. If you keep rotating it, it'll get back on. Keep going. I'm trying to keep the wheel from falling down. That should be off. See? It's inside. Watch out.
Oh, look at that. The tire came off. Look at all that rust.
That's dirt.
Is
Yeah, I
it
know.
dirt or right?
Alright, you want to pause
That's
it?
cool.
You want to pause it or you want to keep going?
I'll pause it.
Alright.
Seems it's supposed to be a
leave
bolt.
the tire off, or are we gonna put it back on?
You gotta leave it off. Because we gotta replace that. Gotta put that bolt back on.
Oh.
And I'm gonna have to get a C-clamp to push back the caliper to get back on there.
Alrighty.
Alright. See? Yeah, it's just, that's what we're dealing with. Look at that. Here's the brake pad.
Oh, that's how they look. Brake
They look
pads.
fine.
Yeah. This
So
don't
what
look
does
so
the boat
good.
look
This
like?
don't look so good because it had rain yesterday, but
Yo.
I'll have to get this. Probably have to
Is that
get this.
rust?
Yes, that's rust from rainwater the past couple of days.
It seeps all the way in there?
Oh yeah.
Dang.
Alright, so alright, we're gonna go on look at a couple auto parts stores on my phone here, and then we'll continue.
Alright.
You got it?
If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe.
Okay.
This video is over. Hopefully you like it. Bye guys.